In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save video in ClipChamp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to export your project, choose the right quality, and find the finished file on your computer without any confusion. Start by opening ClipChamp in your web browser and signing in to your account. Once you're in, make sure your editing is truly finished before you export. Take a moment to confirm that your clips are arranged in the correct order, your text is spelled correctly and timed well, your music sits at a comfortable volume under any voiceover, and any effects or transitions look smooth. This is also a good time to glance at your aspect ratio to ensure it matches where you plan to share the video. When everything looks set, press play to preview the entire timeline from start to finish. Watch and listen carefully. Catching small issues now can save you an extra export later. When you're happy with the preview, head to the top right corner of the editor and click the export button. This is your gateway to creating a shareable video file. ClipChamp will immediately present quality options. Choose the resolution that fits your needs. 480p for the smallest file size and quicker downloads. 720p for standard quality that's fine for many web uses, or 1080p for the best quality and the sharpest results. If your footage was recorded in high definition and you have the storage space, 1080p is generally the safest and best looking choice. Keep in mind that higher quality means a larger file and a bit more processing time. After you select the quality, ClipChamp will begin processing your video. Let it run until it reaches 100%. Keep the tab open and avoid putting your computer to sleep to prevent any interruptions. Processing time will vary based on the length of your video, the chosen resolution, and your computer's performance. When the export completes, your browser will typically start downloading the video automatically. If it doesn't, or if you're prompted, click Save to your computer. You may be asked to choose a location and a file name. Pick a folder you'll remember, and name the file clearly so it's easy to find later. To locate your finished video, open your Downloads folder, which is the default destination in most browsers unless you've changed it. Your video will be saved as an MP4 file, a widely compatible format that works on most devices and platforms. Double-click to play it and do a quick final check of the picture and sound. You're all set. Your ClipChamp video is saved and ready to share.